First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To reduce AI hallucinations, start by understanding that AI models can sometimes generate information that sounds convincing but isn't actually supported by the available data. The first step is to give Gemini clear and reliable information. When creating your prompt, tell the model exactly what sources or context it should use. For example, if you want Gemini to answer questions about a company document, provide the relevant document and instruct it to use that information instead of relying on assumptions. Next, define what Gemini should do when it doesn't know something. You can instruct it to say that the information is unavailable rather than guessing. This is especially important for questions involving names, dates, numbers, technical specifications, or other factual details. You can also ask Gemini to separate confirmed information from assumptions. For example, tell it to identify information that is directly supported by the provided source and clearly indicate when something cannot be verified. Another useful technique is to provide structured context. Instead of giving the model a large amount of unrelated information, organize the relevant data clearly and explain how it should be used. For important workflows, ask Gemini to return supporting evidence or identify the section of the provided source that supports its answer when your workflow allows this. Next, test your prompt with difficult questions. Try incomplete information, misleading questions, conflicting data, and questions outside the model's available context. Check whether Gemini appropriately